Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to join expired link Telegram. If you are trying to join groups on the Telegram but getting an error message, one of the following might be the reason. The first is you are banned or reported by the admin. Second, the group is a secret or private group. Third, you have surpassed the limit of how many groups you can join. Fourth, the Telegram app on your device is running on an outdated version. Fifth, the group is not active or has been banned. And sixth, the app cache is corrupted or bulky. So, what to do if I can't join a group on Telegram? If you are using an outdated version of the Telegram app, you might not be able to join groups. To fix this problem, update your Telegram app. Go to Play Store and then update your Telegram. The second option, clear the Telegram cache. If you are joining a Telegram group for the first time and getting an error message, it might be due to the glitch in the app. In such cases, clearing the Telegram cache often resolves the issue. To do so, first grab your Android device and launch the Telegram app. Tap on the menu icon or three horizontal lines at the top left of the screen. And then tap on the settings and tap on data and storage options. Select the storage option and tap on the clear Telegram cache option. Again, tap on the clear cache. Now, check if you are banned by the admin. It is possible that you might have been banned by the group administrator of the Telegram messaging app. In such a case, you will get the error message while joining a group. To check if you are banned or have any restrictions on your account, follow the steps. First, launch the Telegram app on your device and tap on the search icon. And then type @spambot in the search bar. Tap on Spam Info Bot. This will take you to the chat. Now, tap on the Start button on the bottom of the screen. If there are any restrictions on your account, the spam bot will let you know. And last, ask group admin to unban you and add you, or create a new account to join the group. Ask the admin to add you. If the Telegram group is private or secret, you will experience an issue while joining unless you have been invited by the group administrator. Ask the group admin to add you manually. However, if the admin is trying to add you but the problem persists, first, on your device, open the Telegram app and tap on the three horizontal lines. Now, tap on the Privacy and Settings option. Under the Privacy header, tap on the Groups option. Under Who can add me to the group chat, tap on Everybody. A check mark will appear on the top right side of the screen. Tap it to save your settings. Finally, ask the admin to try adding you and verify the fix. But note, you can also ask the admin to send you to the group invitation link, but make sure to join before the link expires. Telegram group links expires after 24 hours. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.